Hi, today's video will be a little different. It will finally be dubbed, and with Slovak subtitles. For example, we have a BF109 from Eduard, in the weekend edition version. So let's take a look. On the side of the box we have camouflage that we can choose from when building. That kit is ideal for less experienced modelers or beginners. The model does not have photo-etched parts. The kit also includes labels. Eduard instruction is among the favorites. I bought the kit in sale at the shop that has closed its doors. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, support this channel by subscribing. Goodbye.